Want to make your home improvement projects actually work without turning into a total nightmare? So, first off, always start with a clear plan. You gotta know exactly what you want before you call anyone or buy stuff, you know? Next, set a realistic budget and add a little extra for surprises because stuff always pops up. Don't just pick the cheapest contractor you find online. Look for reviews, ask for references, and check their previous work. Communication is key. Stay in touch with your contractor regularly to avoid any confusion or delays. Also, get everything in writing, like contracts and agreements, so there's no he said, she said later. If you're doing any DIY, watch some tutorials beforehand to avoid rookie mistakes. And don't rush. Taking your time means less stress and better results. Finally, be ready to adapt a bit if something unexpected happens because flexibility is part of the game. One of the biggest mistakes people make with home improvement projects is not researching contractors properly. This leads to poor quality work or delays. Fix that by reading lots of reviews and getting multiple quotes. Another common issue is underestimating costs, which causes frustration and half-finished projects. To avoid this, always add at least 10 to 20% extra to your budget for unexpected expenses. Lastly, not having a clear plan can cause confusion and wasted time. Make sure you write down all the details and communicate them clearly to everyone involved to keep things running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors without all the guessing and stress. It also gives contractors a place to connect with people who actually need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.